Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move an image in your Final Cut project using keyframes. And to be able to do this, it's really simple. As you can see on the screen, we have an example piece of footage. What I have right here is some kind of chart. I've got myself here as well. And basically the goal of this video is to be able to move this chart from here over to here whilst the video is playing. So what we need to do to be able to achieve this is actually make sure that our image is selected in our timeline. And then what we want to do is go over to the right hand side of the screen where it says position. And what we have here is the keyframe icon. And this is where we can actually go ahead and click that. One thing I will say is you can actually do keyframes for so many things, but in just this case, we're just going to be moving the image. So we go ahead and click and select the keyframe option. This will then turn yellow, and then basically what we do is drag on the timeline in terms of the speed that we want our image to move at. So when we get to this point in the video, we want the image to have moved fully over from the left to the right hand side. Once we're actually there, we can actually go ahead and click and hold on the image and move it to wherever we want to move it. So as you can see, it's actually coming up as a red line showing exactly the direction it's going to go in. And also, as you can see on the right hand side, the position is changing in terms of the keyframes. So what I can do is just make sure I'm happy with where I want it to be. And then we go ahead and release that. And if we go over to the start of the project, we can see that whilst I'm talking, this image is actually moving across the screen in a smooth fashion. If we wanted to speed this up, all we would need to do is make this keyframe a bit shorter. And if we wanted it to go slower, we'd move the playhead a bit longer and just drag that transition out. But essentially, that is how you move an image using keyframes on Final Cut Pro. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.